Welcome to Dataddo, the platform that moves your data from any source to any destination. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Google Analytics 4 to Power BI using Dataddo. If you don't already have a Dataddo account, create a free account using the link in the description. Once you're on the home screen of the app, click the Flows tab at the top. Then click Create Flow and give your flow a name. A flow in Dataddo is a connection between a data source and a data destination. Google Analytics 4 will be my source, so I'll click on the left side of my flow to create it. Click Create Source and find our Google Analytics 4 connector. Choose the Google account and Google Analytics account you want to connect. Then you'll choose the metrics and attributes you want to extract. The pre-selected metrics will work for this example. Click through to Advanced Settings. For most cases, we recommend skipping this step. Then, I will choose my sync frequency. Under our free forever plan, you can sync data weekly. Under our paid plans and 14-day free trial, you can sync it more often. If you want, you can test your source data to make sure everything looks all right before extraction. Then click Save and your source is ready. Next, I'll click on the right side of my flow to create my destination. Find Power BI in our connector library. Before you finish, you can preview your data and set any data quality rules for monitoring and filtering. After you've created your flow, the final step is to configure Power BI to receive your data. Go to Get Data in Power BI and click Web. Expand the pop-up window to see the advanced options and copy the info from Dataddo into the required fields. Finally, click Load. Voila! You should now be ready to start analyzing your data.